How to fix Roblox login error on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Roblox login error on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option General. Okay, so from the General, tap on iPhone storage. And now from here you'll have to just scroll down and find the application Roblox. Alright, so after you find it, tap on the application Roblox. Okay, so from this interface, you'll have to just tap on the option Upload App, and after you tap on that, you'll have to just again tap on the Reinstall App from there, and after you complete from there, you'll be able to fix that problem. So from there, you'll have to just again open the Roblox app, and from there you'll have to just try to log in with your Roblox ID, and if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just check for your internet connection whether it is stable or not, and after you confirm it, you'll have to just open your Roblox app again, and if you are still facing that problem, make sure that you are using your mobile data connection while you are logging with your Roblox ID. So for that, if you are using any Wi-Fi connection, you'll have to just turn off the Wi-Fi connection from here, and after you turn off the Wi-Fi connection, you'll have to just use your cellular data or mobile data connection, and after you open the Roblox app, you'll be able to log in with your user ID and password, and after you log into your Roblox ID with your cellular data, you can easily turn off the cellular data, and from there you can connect to your Wi-Fi network. So these are the process to fix that problem. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.